A life seasoned with setbacks. Colonel Sanders' early days. Harlan Sanders. The name conjures images of fried chicken, a white suit, and a goatee. But before the Colonel, there was just Harlan, a man who knew more about failure than fame. Born in 1890, his early life was marked by hardship. He dropped out of school early. He toiled at various jobs, from railroad fireman to ferryboat operator. Success seemed elusive. Yet, within him simmered a spirit that refused to be defeated. Each setback, though bitter, added a new layer of resilience. He learned from every misstep, always seeking a better path. This relentless drive, this refusal to accept defeat, would become his trademark. Little did he know, these early trials were forging the character of an icon. He was a man on a quest, even if he hadn't found his direction yet. A recipe for reinvention, the birth of Kentucky Fried Chicken. The year was 1930. Sanders, now 40, was running a gas station in Corbin, Kentucky. It was a humble existence, but one that offered a surprising opportunity. Travelers passing through craved a good meal. Sanders, ever resourceful, began serving simple, home-cooked food from his own kitchen. He had stumbled upon his passion, cooking. Word spread. People raved about his fried chicken. It was different, special. The Colonel, as he was now known, had hit upon something unique. He patented his secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices. This, he knew, was his ticket to something bigger. The gas station became a restaurant. His reputation as a cook, a craftsman of flavor, grew. Pressure cooking success. The franchise model takes flight. Success, when it finally came, was bittersweet. A new highway bypassed Corbin, diverting traffic away from Sanders' restaurant. At an age when most would retire, he found himself starting over. But Colonel Sanders was not like most. He took his recipe on the road, a one-man brand ambassador seeking partners. He offered a simple proposition, his recipe, his method, in exchange for a nickel per chicken sold. This was the birth of franchising as we know it. Sanders was a pioneer, recognizing the power of shared success. He empowered others to build their dreams, creating a network of entrepreneurs united by his vision. The Colonel's charisma and that finger-licking good chicken proved an irresistible combination. KFC, as it soon became known, began its meteoric rise. From roadside stand to global icon, the expansion of KFC. The growth of KFC was phenomenal. From a single roadside restaurant, it exploded across the United States. Each new franchise spread the gospel of Colonel Sanders' unique fried chicken. His image, the white suit, the black string tie, the kindly smile, became synonymous with comfort food done right. He was a living testament to the American dream, proving that success could be fried up from the humblest beginnings. But the Colonel's vision extended beyond American shores. He saw a world hungry for flavor, for a taste of Southern hospitality. KFC spread across borders, taking root in cultures far removed from Kentucky. From Canada to Japan, the Colonel's face, beaming from buckets of fried chicken, became a global symbol of affordable, delicious food. Section 5. The Colonel's secret ingredient: persistence and innovation. What was the secret to KFC's success? Was it the 11 herbs and spices guarded to this day? Or was it something more, something inherent in Colonel Sanders himself? The answer, like any good recipe, lies in a combination of factors. Sanders was a relentless innovator. He never stopped tinkering, always seeking ways to improve his product and his process. But more importantly, he never gave up. He faced down failure time and again, emerging stronger and more determined. This resilience, this unwavering belief in his vision was contagious. It inspired his franchisees, his employees, and millions around the world. The Colonel proved that age is no barrier to ambition, that success can be seasoned with the spice of perseverance. Section 6. A global feast, KFC's international appeal. Why did KFC resonate so deeply across cultures? The answer lies in the universality of its appeal. Fried chicken, crispy and golden brown, transcended borders. It was a familiar comfort food, yet made special by the Colonel's secret recipe. It was a taste of Americana, but adaptable to local palates. KFC embraced this global diversity. Menu items were tailored to local tastes, incorporating regional flavors while staying true to the brand's core identity. This adaptability, this willingness to embrace local cultures, cemented KFC's place as a global culinary citizen. The Colonel's legacy was no longer confined to Kentucky. It had become a feast shared by the world. Section 7. Beyond the bucket, the legacy of Colonel Sanders. Colonel Sanders passed away in 1980, but his legacy continues to thrive. KFC remains one of the most recognizable brands worldwide. His image, the white suit, the goatee, is instantly recognizable, a testament to the power of personal branding. But more than just a brand, Sanders represents a spirit of entrepreneurship, of resilience, of chasing a dream, no matter how late in life it arrives. He showed the world that success can be found in the most unexpected places, that a simple recipe can change the world. He proved that age is just a number, and that failure is not the opposite of success, but a stepping stone on the path towards it. The Colonel's life, like his chicken, was a masterpiece of flavor, seasoned with grit, determination, and a dash of Kentucky charm. Section 8. Finger-lickin' good, the enduring popularity of KFC. What explains the enduring popularity of KFC? Decades after its founding, people still line up for a taste of the Colonel's chicken. It's more than just the taste, it's the memories associated with it. Family gatherings, birthday parties, quick meals on the go. KFC has become interwoven with the fabric of our lives, a comforting constant in a world of constant change. It's a reminder of simpler times, of home-cooked meals, of the comforting aroma of herbs and spices filling the air. It's a taste of nostalgia, served up with a side of coleslaw and mashed potatoes. The Colonel's recipe, it seems, was not just for fried chicken. It was a recipe for creating lasting memories. Section 9. A timeless recipe for success. Lessons from the Colonel's life. The story of Colonel Sanders is more than just a tale of fried chicken. It's a story of resilience, of second chances, of never giving up on your dreams. The Colonel's life offers valuable lessons for us all. It teaches us the importance of hard work, of perseverance, of embracing failure as a stepping stone to success. It reminds us that it's never too late to start over, to reinvent ourselves, to chase our passions. The Colonel's legacy is a testament to the power of the human spirit, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, we all have the potential to achieve something extraordinary. So the next time you enjoy a bucket of KFC, remember the man behind the legend, and let his story inspire you to cook up your own recipe for success.